Looking for a mini drone that's as big as your hand? Or would you prefer a micro or nano drone that you can fit in your pocket? With the huge range of the choice now out there, it would be incredibly frustrating to buy a micro drone that doesn't really give you a bang for your buck. In this video we will give you a genuinely independent review of DroneXS. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is DroneXS? The new DroneXS is the perfect quadcopter drone for photographers and videographers who want to shoot stunning videos and photos but are relatively new to using drones. With a sleek and light design, this product offers durability and stability that is quite impressive for a drone of its size. It is also incredibly easy to carry around because of its foldable design. DroneXS is custom-made for enthusiasts and aspiring shutterbugs who love advanced features and trendy compact design. DroneXS specifications. Frequency: 2.4 grams. Channel: 4ch, gyro. 6-axis, battery quadcopter 3.7 volts 500 mAh LiPo, transmitter battery. 3x 1.5 AA battery, charging time: 60 to 70 mins. Benefits of the DroneXS: stable with precise control from RF remote. Mini size with new inside the remote storage. Live video streaming from the drone's camera. Included protection braces for crash protection. Safe for children with rounded tip propellers. Easy to charge battery with standard micro USB. Feature of DroneXS: 30 mins flight time. Features with low power alarm, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. The drone, accompanied with 3 removable and chargeable batteries, triples the flight time up to 30 minutes. A perfect gift to enhance enjoyment and heighten satisfaction. 720p camera. 720p camera FPV live videos V2, equipped with 720p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can see the sky from a live video feed through smartphone app. Drone for kids will bring you more pleasure when staying at home. Play with your child. Designed for kids and beginners. DroneXS mini drone is designed for kids and beginners, include 1 key takeoff landing, altitude hold, headless mode and 3 speed modes. Takeoff and landing are designed on the same button, just press one button to take it off or land it easily. Altitude hold can maintain the drone at a certain height, which makes the drones for kids take video or photos more stably. Perfect for beginners. 3D flips and multiple control modes. DroneXS with camera for kids can perform 360 degrees flip and trajectory flight. You can draw a path on your smartphone, the drone will fly following the path accordingly. The kids' drones have 3 control modes. Remote app voice control. Gravity sense mode, trajectory flight, voice control etc. You can control the drone with simple voice like takeoff etc. Experience more for less money. Foldable and portable design. The DroneXS mini drone is foldable with folding arms. The design of this drone is quite mini and easy to carry. Its sizes perfectly fit the child's palm. You can put the kid's drone with camera in your pocket and carry it with you. You can fold the drone and put it in the controller perfectly. Final verdict on the DroneXS review. This DroneXS has extremely superb features and advantages. If you really want to improve the way you take photos and love taking video recordings of your activities, then this is the drone for you. This DroneXS is best for beginners and also an expert who has been making use of drones in the past. It is really a setup for your activity and very easy to use. You can get this drone at a very affordable cost which performs exactly like the high-end drones which cost thousands of dollars. Well, here is the breakdown. You do not get to pay for any advertising money spent by the company or fancy employee office. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the DroneXS, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.